Hey makers and DIY enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 12 best clamps for woodworking on Amazon, from corner clamps to bar clamps, spring clamps, and even strap clamps. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these clamps will make your projects easier, faster, and more precise. Let's get started. Number 1. The Wheatal's corner clamp is designed to make woodworking easier and more accurate. It holds your boards at a perfect 90-degree angle, making it ideal for picture frames, cabinets, boxes, and photo projects. The clamp fits boards from 3/16 of an inch up to 3/4 of an inch thick, so it works for a wide range of projects. Built from durable polyamide material, it is strong enough for long-term use. The powerful spring tension keeps your boards firmly in place while you glue, drill, or screw them together. Lightweight and easy to handle, this clamp can even be operated with one hand, saving you time and effort. Each set includes 4 clamps, making it a practical choice for any workshop. Number 2. The Mr. Pen bar clamps are a reliable choice for woodworking and DIY projects. Each clamp is built with a strong plastic body and high-quality hardened steel, giving it excellent impact resistance and long-lasting performance. Measuring 9.9 inches by 4.4 inches, these clamps provide a maximum opening range of 6 inches, making them versatile for a wide variety of tasks. One of the standout features is the soft jaw pads, which grip your workpiece securely while protecting the surface from scratches or dents. This makes them perfect for delicate woodworking projects where precision and care matter most. Lightweight yet durable, the Mr. Pen bar clamps are easy to handle and adjust, whether you're gluing, assembling, or holding pieces in place. Sold as a convenient 2-pack, they're an ideal addition to any workshop and a practical tool for both hobbyists and professional carpenters. Number 3. The WorkPro 12-inch clamps are a versatile and reliable choice for woodworking and DIY projects. With a powerful clamping force of up to 150 pounds, these clamps provide a secure grip on your workpieces, keeping everything steady while you glue, drill, or assemble. Despite their strength, they are lightweight and easy to handle, saving you time and effort on the job. Each clamp has a throat depth of 2 3/8 inches and a maximum opening capacity of 12 inches, giving you plenty of range for larger projects. A quick change red button allows you to switch easily between clamping and spreading, making this a 2-in-1 tool that adapts to your needs. Built with reinforced nylon and hardened steel bars, these clamps are tough enough for frequent use. Soft, non-marring pads protect your surfaces, while ergonomic anti-slip handles reduce fatigue and keep you in control. Number 4. The Horsti 8-pack bar and spring clamps give you versatility and strength in one set. Inside the box, you'll find 4 6-inch bar clamps and 4 4-inch spring clamps, making it easy to tackle a wide range of woodworking and home repair projects. The 6-inch bar clamps deliver up to 75 pounds of clamping force and can expand to 9.72 inches when used as spreaders. That means you get both clamping and expanding functions in one tool. With the quick release button, switching from clamp to spreader is fast and effortless. Built with a durable nylon body and hardened steel bars, these clamps are tough enough for frequent use, even in demanding job site conditions. Non-slip pads protect your work surfaces while improving grip, and the lightweight design makes them easy to handle. Whether you're gluing, assembling, or repairing, this set is a practical, all-in-one solution for any workshop. Number 5. The Amazon Basics adjustable metal face clamps are a practical and versatile addition to any workshop. Designed for woodworking, welding, pocket hole joinery, and general repairs, these clamps make it easy to hold your materials securely in place while you work. Each pack includes 2 11-inch clamps with a 3-inch jaw reach, capable of gripping materials up to 2 3/4 inches thick. The thumb screw knobs allow you to quickly adjust the jaw capacity, giving you precise control with minimal effort. To protect your work surfaces, the clamps feature swivel pads that distribute pressure evenly and prevent dents or scratches. Built from durable metal, they are strong enough for repeated use while remaining easy to handle. Measuring 11 by 5 by 0.6 inches, these clamps are compact, reliable, and efficient, making them an excellent choice for carpenters, welders, and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 6. The WorkPro 6-inch minibar clamps are compact, versatile, and perfect for light-duty woodworking and DIY projects. Each set includes 2 clamps, giving you reliable holding power for small builds, repairs, or craft projects. With a maximum clamping force of 50 pounds, these clamps are strong enough to keep your workpieces steady while remaining lightweight and easy to handle. Thanks to the screw release button, each clamp can quickly convert into a spreader with a capacity of up to 9.5 inches, making them a 2-in-1 solution for your workshop. The quick-release latch allows you to adjust or remove the clamps in seconds, saving valuable time. Larger non-marring pads provide balanced pressure, protect surfaces from scratches, and ensure a secure grip. Built with solid rail construction, these clamps won't slip under pressure and can hold firmly for extended periods. Practical, durable, and easy to use, the WorkPro minibar clamps are a must-have for any DIY enthusiast. Number 7. The Horsti 8-pack heavy-duty spring clamps are a must-have for woodworking, crafts, and DIY projects. Each clamp measures 5 inches and features a maximum jaw opening of 2 3/8 inches, giving you the ability to hold thicker materials with ease. Built from reinforced glass fiber nylon, these clamps are tough, durable, and designed for long-lasting use. The tempered steel coil spring delivers up to 25 pounds of clamping force, ensuring your workpieces stay firmly in place while you glue, assemble, or secure them. For added convenience, the wide rotary jaws automatically adjust to uneven surfaces, providing a stable grip while protecting your materials from damage. The double TPR ergonomic handles offer a comfortable, non-slip grip, making them easy to use even during longer projects. Lightweight, versatile, and reliable, this 8-pack of spring clamps is perfect for woodworking, photography, art, and everyday DIY tasks. Number 8. The Jorgensen 36-inch parallel bar clamp is a heavy-duty solution built for precision woodworking. Designed with an industrial-grade steel bar, it resists flexing under pressure, making it perfect for benchtop glue-ups, cabinet assembly, furniture repairs, and even cutting board projects where even pressure is essential. With an upgraded steel screw thread, this clamp delivers an incredible 2,200 pounds of consistent clamping force. That means your workpieces stay secure and aligned, preventing warping during critical glue-ups. Versatility is built in. The sliding jaw can be quickly reversed without tools, instantly converting the clamp into a spreader for separating or expanding tasks. For comfort and safety, the ergonomic soft grip handle allows controlled, high-torque tightening, while the quick-release trigger makes repositioning fast and secure without losing alignment. Sold as a 2-pack, the Jorgensen parallel bar clamp is a professional-grade tool every serious woodworker should have in their shop. Number 9. The Fyong miter spring clamps kit is designed for precision work on picture frames, with trim and moldings. These clamps open from 0 to 2 inches, covering most trim sizes and making them perfect for pocket-sized projects as well as larger assemblies. Each clamp is built from industrial-grade spring steel, offering the ideal balance of rigidity and elasticity. The upgraded ring design at stress points ensures the clamps return to their original shape after use, while the plated surface resists rust for long-lasting performance. A safety ring keeps the wire in place, preventing the tips from slipping on wood. The sharpened ends are perfectly aligned, allowing them to pierce even hard woods without damaging the fibers. The included pliers feature spring-loaded action and thick rubber handles for comfort and control. Whether you're working at 45, 90, or 120 degrees, these clamps make angle joints quick, accurate, and secure. Number 10. The Bessie vs. 23 plus 2K CB Variable Angle Strap Clamp is the ultimate solution for clamping projects that don't fit traditional clamps. With a 23-foot woven polyester strap and 4 pivoting Vario clips, it applies even pressure around square, round, rectangular, or irregular shapes, making it perfect for frames, boxes, barrels, and more. This strap clamp is both precise and gentle. The removable Vario corners automatically adjust from 60 to 180 degrees, ensuring clean angles without damaging delicate surfaces. The woven polyester band is engineered for high strength and tear resistance, while the built-in take-up reel keeps excess strap neatly stored. For ease of use, the ergonomic non-slip handle allows smooth tightening and quick adjustments, reducing hand fatigue during longer projects. The steel wire loop opens quickly for fast setup or release, giving you both strength and efficiency. Durable, versatile, and easy to handle, the Bessie strap clamp is a must-have for any serious woodworker or DIY enthusiast. Number 11. The Unity 304 stainless steel C-clamps are compact, durable, and built for strength. Precision cast from 304 stainless steel, these mini clamps are highly resistant to rust and corrosion, making them reliable for long-term use in any workshop. Each clamp is about 0.14 inches thick, weighs just 2.2 ounces, and is strong enough to withstand high pressure without bending or breaking. The I-beam design adds stability, while the built-in protection pad ensures your workpieces won't deform under pressure. Each clamp also includes 2 8mm screw holes, allowing you to connect hooks or eye bolts for added versatility. With a clamping range of about 15 millimeters, these mini clamps are easy to adjust using the screw knobs and can be quickly secured to desktops, brackets, or wooden bars. Perfect for woodworking, metalworking, welding, automotive assembly, and DIY projects, this 4-pack of stainless steel clamps is a practical, heavy-duty solution for professionals and hobbyists alike. Number 12. The Relitec R 90-degree corner clamping squares are designed to make your woodworking projects precise, efficient, and frustration-free. Made from high-impact ABS plastic, these positioning squares are lightweight yet durable, giving you reliable performance without adding bulk to your toolbox. This set includes 8 clamps in 2 sizes, 3-inch and 4-inch squares, so you can handle a wide variety of workpieces. With no thickness limit, they're suitable for everything from small craft projects to larger cabinet assemblies. Using these squares, you can quickly and easily achieve perfect 90-degree angles, which are essential for balanced, professional-looking results. They're ideal for gluing and assembling cabinets, drawers, picture frames, boxes, and furniture. Many woodworkers also incorporate them into jigs and fixtures, making them a versatile addition to any workshop. Practical, accurate, and easy to use, the Relitec 90-degree clamping squares deliver efficiency squared, helping you get clean, precise joints every time.